Whoa, whoa, guys! Finally, we get some McDonald's. This is McChicken. This is Big Mac. This is McDouble. This is French fries right here. Whoa! I like it, guys. You know what? Let's eat together. Right here, that corner right here. Wow. Wow, guys. Look at that. Very nice. Wow. Wow. Whoa. I like it. Wow. Yeah. This is my chicken right there. See it? Wow. 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 That's good though. I love it. Yep. Wow. Yeah. 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 Try that. Wow. This is Big Mac right there, though. This is Big Mac. See how nice it is, though. This is Big Mac. Let's get together, y'all. You see it? Big Mac. Wow. Wow. Good though. Wow. Wow. That's a nice meal. Get on there. Mm-hmm. Oh. Guys, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, guys. I have a lot of stuff coming out. Okay? I'm working hard, y'all. Sorry. I apologize. Guys, thank you so much, guys. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, you buddies working hard for you guys. I'm gonna look for a trash can so I can throw that away. I'm gonna look for a trash can. Guys, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, guys. A lot of stuff coming out. Yeah. Go ahead and subscribe and tell me what you think about my video, you know what I mean? Go ahead and subscribe, okay? Sorry. Yeah, let me tell you how much money I paid for that meal. I paid $12.48. $12.48 for that meal. Yep. Yeah, let me go ahead and look for a trash can so I can throw that away so I can keep moving. And I'm going far away. I'm going 10 hours away from my city. Yeah, I'm going 10 hours away from my city. So, guys, please go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Yeah, I'm going to look for a trash can so I can throw that trash away. Woo! Woo! Whoa! Look at that. How beautiful it is, bro. A lot of subscribers, man, they keep asking me questions. They say they want to see more. They want more. I ain't got no problem, guys, to give you more. You know, I like to do this kind of stuff. Yeah. I don't got no problem to give you more. Yeah. Look at that guy with the moped. I won't let him go. He has a little moped. Just let him go, bruh.